After solving question number 6, let us go on to question number 7. Let's read what is given. A square capital ABCD is of 1 meter side, comma, is acted upon by forces 1 Newton, 2 Newton and 4 kilonewton. Sorry, it is 1 kilonewton, 2 kilonewton and 4 kilonewton along the sides taken in order. Full stop. Calculate magnitude and direction of resultant by using analytical method. Whichever methods we are using here, these are all analytical methods. So I'll write the data for this and draw the diagram. Here it is given that we have a square ABCD of 1 meter side. Square ABCD of 1 meter side is acted upon by forces 1 kilonewton, 2 kilonewton and 4 kilonewton along the sides taken in order. It means if it is ABCD, we will consider first AB. On AB we have 1 kilonewton force. On AB there is 1 kilonewton force. On BC there is 2 kilonewton force. On CD there is 4 kilonewton force. So we have shown the forces here. Now calculate magnitude and direction of resultant by using analytical method. We have to find the magnitude and direction of resultant. So here you need to calculate R and theta. So we'll solve this problem. Solution. Here there is no need to resolve any forces because the forces, they are themselves horizontal and vertical. I'll say that since sum of all horizontal forces are given by summation of Fx, rightward forces positive and leftward forces negative. Therefore, summation Fx will be equal to, I have 1 kilonewton as the rightward force, 1 is positive, 4 is towards left, so negative, 1 minus 4, so that will give me an answer of minus 3 kilonewton, it means towards left. Summation of Fx is negative. Similarly, I can write down sum of all vertical forces, summation Fy as upward forces positive, downward forces negative. I have a single downward force here which is 2 kilonewton. So minus 2 kilonewton is summation Fy downward. So I can say that therefore resultant is given by capital R is equal to square root of summation Fx whole square plus summation Fy whole square. Hence, capital R is equal to square root of summation Fx was 3, summation Fy 2. So therefore, I will get my resultant answer as, that comes out to be 3.6 kilonewton. The resultant which I am getting, it is 3.6 kilonewton. My first answer. Next, location of resultant. Therefore, location of resultant is given by theta is equal to tan inverse summation Fy upon summation Fx. Therefore, theta is equal to tan inverse summation Fy 2 summation Fx 3. So I'll get my theta as 33.69 degree with respect to horizontal.